Sundubu-Jjigae. Brush the clamshells if there is any grit. Prepare 1 liter of cool water, never warm or hot, and add 30 grams of salt. Leave the bowl in a dark, cool place. You can cover the bowl loosely with a black plastic bag and keep in the fridge. Wait at least an hour for the clams to be purged of sand and grit. Rinse the clams under running water, and then they are ready to be cooked. Making anchovy-kelp stock. Remove heads and intestines of the anchovies. On medium heat, cook them lightly without any oil. This helps to get rid of some fishy smell of dried anchovies. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 15 minutes. At the 10-minute point, take the kelp out cause it tends to taste bitter if it stays longer. Preparing the other ingredients. Making chili paste. Let's start the stew. If you can get finely ground Korean chili powder, it's better to use it. But just common Korean chili powder, which is a bit coarsely ground, is also fine. Add diced onions. Now add the clams. It's time to pour the stock over the strainer. You need to add the other ingredients in later, so don't let the volume of the stock go over 2/3 of the pot you are using. Now increase the heat and add the chili paste. Add the chilies and green onions. And then the soft tofu. This whole process finishes within 15 minutes and you get to taste a wonderful stew. Adjust the seasoning with fermented shrimp. Depending on your preference, you can crack in an egg in the middle and serve. Enjoy!